Hello there! This is downhill parking to pass your driving test. The examiner says, pull over here and park. We're actually going downhill, but he doesn't have to say downhill, but it's obvious that we're going downhill. So you signal to the right, check your mirror and your shoulder, get close to the curb, make a complete stop, apply the parking brake, place the gear selected to park, and because it's downhill, it's one revolution. See, this looks like the face of a clock. One revolution of the steering wheel to the right, and then you cancel the signal. Then you just hold the wheel like this at the 9 and 3 position, wait for the examiner to tell you to go. Then he says, okay, let's go. So the first step is straighten the wheel. Remember, it's turned that way, so you need to straighten it. So one revolution to the left. Get rid of the parking brake, place the gear selected to drive, signal to the left, check the rear view mirror, check the left outside mirror and the left blind spot, and if it's safe, if it's clear, nobody there, drive off in a straight line. Cancel the signal. Okay, right here we have a stop sign. There's no white line, no sidewalk, so we stop right out here at the edge of the road. And it's actually a four-way stop sign. I'm the only one here, so I just check and go. And that's it for your downhill parking.